Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. What should we make today?
A fairy.
A fairy, yes. What do we need for that?
We need pink, black, and maybe a tan color for her legs, and a light pink maybe.
Okay. Well, we're going to be using our acrylic markers today. You do not have to use these. You can use whatever you have laying around the house or the classroom.
Yes.
Let's get started. Let's get started with the fairy. Okay, first off, we're going to start with her head, and that's going to be right here. So we're going to make kind of a half moon, like that. Good, and we're going to do another one, but it's not going to be as big. So watch me do this. So we're going to do a smaller one. But we want it to come down to about the same side as the other one. Good, okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this one up to the point, but don't go to the point. We want to stop it right there. Good, just like that. And then we're going to make this curvy line. It's going to go up and have a little bit of a curve to it. Very good. Nice. Okay, and then all we're going to do is take these two lines right here and connect them to complete her head. Oh, that's great. Okay, now what we're going to do is work on the rest of her body. So that's going to be right here. We're going to make her neck. Okay, and let's go down this way first. This is going to be one shoulder. And the same thing on the other side. Shoulder. Okay, and then we're going to bring her arm out like this. This.
Like that.
Okay, and then we're going to just do like a little bit of a bend and a little bit of a bend. Okay, and then we'll make a hand. So we're gonna put something in her hand here in a little while, but we're gonna make kind of a round hand, and then it's gonna go back. And then you're just gonna go parallel to right here.
Whoa.
Very good. Okay, same on this side. So we're gonna start right here. This. And this. Good. And then I'm just going to make her hand with like a little thumb. Okay, cool. And now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these two. In fact, I want to bring this up just a little bit. So we're going to connect this, and we're going to go like this. Make it kind of rounded. Very nice. Okay, and then we're going to come down and we're going to make, it's almost a rectangle. It's not going to be quite a rectangle. This and like this. Good. And then we're going to make it slightly rounded. Now, if we're going too fast, this is a good one where we can pause, right? We can pause and you can catch up if you need to. Okay. Now we're going to make part of her dress. So we want to come out like this and like this. And you can put as many waves as you want on this. I'm just going to do a few waves that are going to come across. Like that.
Yeah. Can
Nice.
I do one more?
Yeah, let's do one more. So it's gonna be very similar. We want to leave room for her legs, so we don't want it to be too long. Like that. Okay. And then I think her legs are just going to go off the paper here. So let's do this. We're going to go like this. And like this.
Maybe I have enough room.
Okay. If you want to put some feet on her, you can. Go to this. And like this. Very nice. Okay, now what we're going to do is work on her wings. So let's start right around here, and the wing is going to come out. And it's just going to come down. And it's going to come right into here, like right around where her waist was. Very good, okay? And now same on the other side. We're gonna do, it's almost like a butterfly wing, right? So we're just gonna go down behind her arm, and it's gonna end about where her waist is. Very good. Okay, and same with this one. So we're gonna do another one here, and this is gonna come down. And then it's going to curve up and go behind her dress. Yes, just like that. Okay, and same on the other side. Down. And behind her dress. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so now let's do this. Let's do, we're gonna work on her hair a little bit more. So again, this is going to make a lot more sense when we color it. But let's go ahead and we're going to make a wavy line. And it's going to go behind her arm. Down to here. Good. And same on the other side. Going to come from behind, go behind her arm, and behind her back. Okay, great. Now let's do some designs in the wings. So I'm going to do one right here, and we kind of just want to stay parallel to the top line, something like that. And then we're going to do another one right here. Okay, and one more right here. And that's going to go behind her arm. And yours at home may or may not go behind everything that we're doing, but that's the point. If it does, you want it to go behind the arm, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then let's do like a little one right here. Kind of almost like a little triangle. Good. And one more right here. Good. All right, let's go to this side now. We're going to do the same thing. Going to make kind of an oval shape. Good. And then we'll do one more right here. And one more right here. And mine's, again, going to go behind her arm. Yeah, and yours did too. Okay, and then same thing here. We're going to do a little triangle. Here. Okay, good. And then let's do a couple more down here. So they're going to be similar. I'm going to do one right here. And then I'm going to just do a little triangle right here. And same with this one. This. And then like a little triangle right here. I think this is looking great. I think it's time to fast forward and bring our fairy to life.
Yes.
Yay. Oh, right. We are back from fast forwarding, and our fairies came out beautiful, I think.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about the colors you decided to use.
So for the hair, I did yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And for the skin, I did this like light brown.
Yes.
And for the eyes, of course, black.
Uh-huh.
And then for the highlights, I let the black dry and then I used white.
Well, I think it came out great.
Yes.
What else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another Creation with Kids Art Lab.
And we had fun playing and wearing. We hope to see you next time.
Bye for now.